Hi everybody, I'm back with another video. Welcome and thank you for checking out my video. Just to make this quick, I could not let the month go by without doing a Black History Month look for my people.
And I'm black, y'all, and I'm blacker than black, and I'm black, y'all. I'm blickety black, blacker than black, I'm blacker than black, yo, because I'm black and I'm...
Okay, stay tuned for this look, and at any point of the video, feel free to like this video below and also leave a comment below with any other looks you would like to see from me. Liking, subscribing, and leaving comments below help my channel to grow and help extend its reach to more people. So I do appreciate everyone who does take the time to do that. And to all the new people, I encourage you to do so. Without further ado, let's get back to this look, okay?
Getting to the money. Everybody man.
So to get started, I am just prepping my eyelids for eyeshadow with concealer, and what I'm gonna do is spread it out and then I'm gonna pat it down with my fingers and let it dry down before I apply any colors to my eyes. I literally do this every eyeshadow tutorial, so I'm just gonna do one eye and skip to the next part. So I'm gonna take my ColourPop Perception palette and use these colors as transition colors before I use my real colors. And I'm also trying to think on the spot what to do with this eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna go with the flow. Go with me, y'all. So as you can see, I am first patting the transition shades onto my eyelids, and then I'm just blending them out on each eye before I move to the heavy duty colors. So I am going in with my box of crayons eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go for these main colors of the RBG flag, but I still don't know what I'm gonna do. Before I go in with those important colors, I'm gonna deepen up my crease and my outer corners of each eye with the brown tannish shade in that same palette. Emphasizing this brown shade on the outer corners and on my eyelid because I think I'm gonna just cut the crease a little bit. So Makeup Revolution came out with this cut crease cream, y'all. It's only like $9, okay? And the applicator stick allows you to cut the crease easily. So if you're having trouble with cutting creases, I suggest you go to Ulta and cop this for yourself, okay? Oh, and Makeup Revolution, they are very affordable and this actually good quality stuff. So do not sleep on these affordable brands, okay? What I'm doing is doing a half cut crease, and then I'm blending out that cream, concealer, whatever this is, and I am making it look sparse at the edges so it can fade into the colors at the sides of my eyes. I do not have all day to be waiting, so this blending is going to help this dry down, okay? One eye done, and I'm going ahead to do the other eye, and here we are. Going in with this first color, the red. Oh my gosh, do you see that pigment? Oh my goodness. So what I'm doing is just packing on this red into the inner 1/3 corners of each of my eyes. I feel like I applied too much, but once again, I was freestyling this, so let's hope for the best. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the edges on both eyes. Next, ooh, is that green, honey. Do you see that pigment? Y'all need this eyeshadow palette if you do not have it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and also pack on the green after the red on each eye. I'm not gonna show you both eyes, but just know I did the same thing. I'm just gonna take a clean fluffy brush and blend off the middle transition part so it can look like a dark kind of black color when the two colors merge together. I don't want it to look harsh, I want it to look soft and blended. Honestly, like, I didn't even know these colors were gonna do this, but yes, work it out, colors, work it out. Then I'm gonna take this leap of faith and put that black on the outer corners of my eyes, but not too much, just enough so I can blend the edges after. Next, I'm gonna pick up this Magic palette by Juvia's Place and take this green. Look at this, yes, okay? Let's do it up. Anyways, I'm gonna take my finger and just swatch each eye where the green is to add like a shimmer effect and also blend it into that red as well. Like I said, y'all, I am still here freestyling and hoping for the best. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the outer corners of each eye. Blend the black out a little bit so it can transition a bit into that brown. So this is what I have so far after I blend the black out. Next, I'm gonna apply my liquid eyeliner to both eyes. That will also give me another touch of black. And if you wanna see a full tutorial on how to apply liquid eyeliner, a wing eye, a cat eye, whatever, it will be above and also listed below in the description box. So check that out. Spice it up, I'm using lashes from Your Lash Bar and I'm just using my duo glue, and here we are. Look at these poppin' lashes. This is in the style Mojito. Doing the rest of my face, but I'm not gonna show you guys the whole routine because I feel like I do my face in every video. And I also have a few tutorials up if you would like to see how I do a full face, just a simple full face look. After I applied my foundation, I just applied a little bit concealer to like conceal under my eyes and also highlight the high points of my face where light may hit. Like I said, I have a full tutorial on how to do a full face. I will put it up above, and I will also list it in the description box below. So after I blend everything out, I decided to add some dark color to my bottom eyelids, but I didn't really love it, as you can see my face, but I decided to just continue to work with it. You're not always gonna love your makeup looks, but I feel like you should always try to make something work. So that's what I did here. Do not come for me, because I will come for you. I'm also gonna go ahead and set the concealer under my eyes so it doesn't move and it stays in place. Next, I'm just gonna take some bronzer and add some color to the outer points of my face, and also use it to contour just a little bit, just a little bit. So a helpful tip if you're struggling with lining out your contour is to just make a number 3 on both sides of your face and then just blend it in so it doesn't look harsh. Next, I'm gonna take some blush and then my highlight, baby. So what I'm doing here is just packing a little bit of blush onto the apples of my cheeks and extending it up in a diagonal. Then I worked in my Maybelline highlight on my nose, above my eyebrows, and of course, on my cheeks. Come on, I gotta be shining, baby. So after I finished, I decided to add some finishing touches, some hoops in my wrap. Come on, I gotta pull the look together, of course. So after I put on my wrap and my hoops, I was feeling myself. And so I'm gonna show you how cute I am. Just kidding, but I really do hope you guys like this look so far. Yes. So we are at the end. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please leave a like down below, leave your thoughts, leave any suggestions you have, and of course, subscribe. Hello. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Thanks, guys.